Hello all, welcome you all to this channel of E Square Training Consultants. So in this video, we are going to find or we are going to see the technique and the easy shortcuts to find the last two digits of any exponential. You must have already seen a video where you will be able to find the last digit, that is the unit digit of an exponential or a series of multiplication. And this video is the next step of it where you're going to find the last two digits of the exponential. So as in the case, you take an example 453 raised to 87, where y and z is the last two digits. That is, y takes the value of 5 and z takes the value of 3 and n takes the value of 87 again. So in order to find the last two digit, we generally categorize the z, the value of z as, that is the last digit as. So in this case, the last digit here as, maybe z as 1 is type 1, z as 3, 7 and 9 as type 2, z as 5 as type 3 and z as 4 as 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 as type 4. So we categorize the entire video into 4 types, that is type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, depending on the value of z. And in this video, that is, this is part 1, the last two digits of part 1, where in this video we would be seeing the strategy to find the last two digits when the value of z takes 1 or the value of z is 3 or 7 or 9. So let's take an example. So this is very basic, where the value of z as 1. So in fact, when you have the value of z as 3 or 7 or 9 or for any number for that matter, you would always bring to this type and then solve, because this is going to be your basic. So when the value of z is 1, that is the last digit is 1. Okay, so we are going to find the last two digits. As in, if you had already seen the previous video, you would be aware that if the value of z is 1, the last digit, that is your units digit, will also be 1. So that is for sure. Okay, this has been already revealed in the previous video. That is the video which takes you to find the unit digit as such. So even in that video, it tells you if your value of z is 1, the last digit will be, that is your unit digit, will be 1 for sure. Now the last but previous digit, that is the 10th digit of your value, will be the product of the last but the last but previous digit of your base, that is your y, into the units digit of z, into the units digit of z. Okay, unit digit of z. I'll write it here, unit digit of z. So z, as you know, z is 23. The unit digit of z is 3. So 3 into 8. 3 into 8 gives you 24. So wherein you take the unit digit of that, which is 4. So the last two digit of 6781 raised to 23 will be 41. Let me repeat it again. The last digit of this is 1, because the value of z is 1. And the last but previous digit of the value will be the product of 8, that is the last but previous number of your base into the last digit of your number in the power. So 8 into 3 gives you 24. So you are just going to take the unit digit of 24, where it is just 41. 41 is the last two digits, but it is not necessary that 2 has to be your previous number. Got it? Same way, when you are able to find this, this will always have 1, and the last but previous digit is the product of these two numbers, that is 5 into 1. 5 into 1 gives you just 5. So the last two digits will be 51. So again, like you can just find, you don't even need a calculator. You don't even need, not even a calculator, not calculator in all the cases, but you don't even need a pen and a paper to solve this. You can just directly tell the answers. So let us just write down few answers here. Maybe the next one or the others you can find and keep your answers in the comment box. So this will be 1 as such, and the product of 8 and 9, which is 72. So I'll take 21. So the answer will be 21, and same way this will be 1, and this is 7 into 7, 49. So the answer will be 91. And let me solve here, that is question number 5. So it's 1, product of 2 and 4, which is 8. So the answer will be 81. And here it is 1 and 7 and 5. 7 and 5 gives you 35. So you can write 51. 51 is the last two answers. So you can try working, you can try telling me your answers of 3rd, 4th, 7th and 8th in the comment box. So we are moving towards type 2. Type 2 in sense like the value of z takes 3 or 7 or 9. See, always remember, before we start, let us first understand that 3 power 1 gives you 3, 3 square gives you 9, and 3 power 3 gives you 9 3 is 27, so it's 27, and 3 power 4 is nothing else but 3 square, the whole square, so 9 square, which is 81. So remember, 3 power 4 gives you 1 in your units place. That is 3 power 4's answer will have 1 in the units place. So that is a point to be noted. And same way, when you try calculating for 7, again 7 power 4 is 2401, and no other number gives you 1 in the units place, because 7 to the power 1 is 7, 7 square is 49, 7 cube is 343, whereas 7 power 4 is 2401. So 3 power 4 gives you 1 in the units place, and 7 power 4 gives you again 1 in the units place. So this is something to be noted before we start solving the questions. And same way, see, for 3 and 7 we worked out. Can you guess for 9? 9 power what gives you 1? Of course, yes, 9 square gives you 1 in the units place. So 9 square gives you 1 in the units place. So you just have to remember these datas. Right. So let us take the first question into the order. So the question given here is 7333 raised to 56. Now 56, I have already told you that I have 3 here. That is, a value of z is 3, and 3 power 4 is going to give me 81. So 56, I have to find how many 4's I have in 56. So now what I'll do is I'll just divide 56 by 4. So when I divide 56 by 4, I get 1. It is 4. So 1 and 16. So 4 here. See, I'm just not able to write 16. So 4 here, that gives me 16 and tending to give me 0. So 56 is nothing else but 4 into 14. So can I write like this? So like 733 or 7333, the whole power 4 into, the power 4, the whole power 14. So it is just that 7333 to the power 56. I have just taken it down as 7333 power 4, the whole power 14. Why am I taking as 4? Because I know 3 power 4 is going to give me 81. See here, when you're supposed to find the last two digits, it is fair enough that you take the last two digits here also. So this is like 33 to the whole power 4, and to the power 14. I must have already given you a video, that is in order to find the shortcuts for squares. See, 33 square, 33 power 4 is nothing else but 33 square, the whole square. So 33 square, let us first find 33 square. 33 square is nothing else but 3 square, I'll take it as 09, and then again it is 09. 3 square and 3 square, and then 3 into 3 I'll multiply. 3 into 3 is 9, and doubling it becomes 18. So I'll have to add a 0 at the end, 180. So it is just going to give me 9, 8. See, I don't even bother about the other numbers. So 33 square is going to give me 89. Now again I'll do 89 square, because 33 to the whole power 4 is nothing else but 33 square, the whole square. So 89 square I need to find. Let me apply the same logic. 8 square is 64, and then 9 square will be 81. So 9 8 72, on doubling it becomes 144. So I'll just have to add 0 at the end. So here also, let's not bother about the other numbers. So 8 and 4 gives you 12. So I'll just take 2 here and just leave it as such. So 33 raised to 4 is going to give us 21 as the last two digits. So you can even check in your calculator. So 21 to the whole power 14. So 21 to the whole power 14 is just like your type 1, where you have 1 as the value of z. So again, this you can easily find. 2 into 4 gives you 8. So as such, 7333, the whole power 56, is going to give you 81 as your last two digits. So all that we did is, we had just divided 56 by 4 in order to calculate. That is, you'll just have to write in terms of 4. So 4 into 14 is 56. So you might as well can write 33, that is your 33 power 4, the whole power 14. So 33 power 4 we calculated, which is 21 is your last two digits, the whole power 14, which again tends to type 1. So using type 1 technique, we can just solve. So same way, let's try this also. So 2897 to the power 888. So 888, again 7 I have. So 7 power 4 is going to give me 1 in the units place. So I'll have to write how many 4s I have. So here I can just write this as 97 power 4. So when I'm going to divide 888 by 4, as such it is going to give me 222. So 4 into 222 is going to give us 888. So 97 to the whole power 4 is what we need to find. Again, you can apply the same technique and tend to find. So 97 square is going to give you 09 as the last two digit. Again 09 into 09 is going to give you 81 as the last two digits. So you can apply the same technique that we have applied in the previous example and solve. So 81 to the whole power 222. So 81 for 222 is just 1, 2 into 8 is 16. So it is 61. So the answer being 61. So in order to differentiate, the second answer is 61 and the first answer will be 81. So again, we can just cross check for all these questions. Let us take few numbers and then solve. So let's take 77 to the whole power 39. So here let me write. So 77 to the whole power 39 is like I need to find. See 77. I know 36. See, because I'm going to take 4. So 36 is somewhere around 9. So 9 into 4 is 36. I still have 3 left. So I can write into 77 cube. See, this is like a power m plus n is going to give you a power mn. So the same thing that I have applied here. So 4 nines is 36 plus 3. So this is nothing else but 36 plus 3, 39. So 39 I had just 77 per 39 I just split it this way. So 77 raised to 4. So 77 square you can find. The same way let's find out here. So this is going to give us 49. 7 square 49 and again 49. Again 49 into 2 is 98, 980. So you just have to add 0 at the end. So 9 and 8 plus 4 is 12. So 29. Again 29 square you can find in the same way, which is going to give you 41. So this is like 41. See, I can write this as 41 to the whole power 9 into 77 cube. See, 77 square gave us 29 as the last two digits. So 29 into 77 should give you 33 as the last two digits. So you can just take 33 here, right? So 41 to the power 9 is like 1, 4 9s 36. So 61 into 33. See, all that you have to do is just focus only on the last two digits. So 61 into 33 should give you 13 as the last two digits. So the answer for this is 30. Okay, so it is just as simple as it is finding your last digit as such. So you can try answering 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 and give your answers in the comment box. And also you can post your doubts in the comment box. So I'll preview the doubts again and probably can give you a clarity on that. Thank you for watching.